Osmt Manipur Memorial Trust OSMT Manipur Sinduna Taramari Suba Ojha Professor Naorem Sanajaoba Memorial LECTURE-2025 Pangthokhre Constitutional Government and the Manipur Constitution Act 1947 a retrospection haiba theme da pangthokiba thoromaduda Dr. Laishram Malemnganba Assistant Professor Public International Law Symbiosis Law School Pune Symbiosis International University na speaker oiki Ojha sigi Marfu Suba Birth Anniversary ka mari leinana National Research Center NRC gi conference hall da pangthokiba thoromaduda Professor retired N. Rasmohan Singh former Vice Chancellor Danamanjuri University President OSMT Professor retired Soyam Loken Rizit former Dean School of Humanities Manipur University Trustee OSMT Professor retired W. Nabakumar former Dean School of Human and Environment Sciences Manipur University Professor retired K. Ivo former Head Department of Political Science Manipur University Trustee OSMT Amadi Professor retired and Nimai Singh former Head of the Department of Physics Manipur University na atoiba mitunglen sing oina sarukyaki
the Manipur Mountain Thana even Saudi Arabia the first constitution never high Manipur is the Constitution Act 1947 Yamni Tizana Mount the same give no Haripa Constitution give a say abruptly Masikarai the Kamana like Gibanomagi Ligan my continuity Mayam Singsi Karai the Mount Gibanos Kang than Mayam Samana 1949 Hard Kimang the Yaw Matung the market positions clear about the Vasana academic Lam the world not to Miam the CSO Layam Sina whether 1947 Manipur Hingibra High and the Kumbangam the Wakota Aduki someone do Mayam Santa clear to Tuxi in relation to the international law Malian in the lady law Mayamsi in Pamoda again Queen National Law Boiro see Mayam Sita Quina Singanga the river Dr. Malim Mangan symbiosis law is Kungi Malayamangan sida sinara kana Malayalam walk to kanda masimak lairiksi magi kana si puthunglaba present on bhonabani maram aduna aikhoida maruda ojaki matang ta khasitang haijaba taragadi ojadi like Abraham Lincoln from Locavin to White House ta kagi ba yamna wana khona slavery system koi muthal amakanda miyamgi kana se emancipation Purakibado, because some are not Ozazina, by Seclagum, the Mayum Layton, Horcopun, Shiron, Amadagi, Horaga, Mahabaki Salaga, LLB, the second position in the Tava, Aduimatum, LLM Punada, Salakanda, a gold medal, Umuerpa, Adu Muklakanda, what in Stalakanda Mazi, research of the guide later than Matan the guide out in the PhD Panga, no Pazi or Sanazaobugi, and PhD guide out in the